Hello everyone, good morning to all. Now today we are going to study the exercise A, which is depend on the topic exponent. Today we are going to study the topic exponent. On this exercise A exercise, I am going to take the question number 2. Question number 2. In question number 2, what you have to given? If 1125 is equal to 3 raised to m multiplied by 5 raised to n. So we have to find the value of m and n. m and n value हमें m और n की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है. Okay. So how we can find? First we have to make the prime factorization of 1125. Okay. I am making here the factors of the 1125. So this can be divided by 3 first. This can be divided by 3. So 3 is 7 is 5. Okay. Again this can be divided by 3, which will be 125. Again this cannot be divided by 3. Now this can be divided by 5. 25 5. This can be divided by 5. 5 again 5. Okay. So these are the factors. So we can write this as it is. 1125 is equal to 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 5. That means 3 should be multiplied 2 times and 5 should be multiplied by the 3 times. That means we can write 3 raised to 3 into 5 raised to 3 raised to 2 into 5 raised to 3. Now we can compare. Okay, we can compare. That means is equal to, therefore 1125 is equal to 3 raised to m into 5 into n. Therefore m is equal to 2 and n is equal to 3. m is equal to 2 and n is equal to 3. That means you got understood. After that we will see the question number 3. Next question is here. What is given in next question? So we will see the next question. If find, what we have to find x. Question number 3. Find value of x. If 9 into 3 raised to x is equal to 27 raised to 2x minus 3. 27 raised to 2x minus 3. Okay. So here we will solve this. See now how to solve. 9 is 3 square into 3 raised to x equal to 27. What mean by the 27? 27 is the 3 into 3 into 3 raised to 2x minus 3. Again we can write 3 raised to, base is same 3. So 2 plus x equal to 3, base is same. So 3 raised to 3 into 2x minus 3. 2x minus 3. Here we can write it again. 3 raised to x plus 2. I have written 2 plus x or x plus 2 is the same. So 3 raised to x plus 2 equal to 3 raised to 3 to the 6x minus 3 to the 9. 3 to the 9. So base is same. Both the sides base is same. So on comparing, if these both terms are same, that means 3 is the same, so their powers are also same. So x plus 2 is equal to 6x minus 9. 6x minus 9. So now we can solve. Send this to that side. 2 plus this 9 will come this side, so it become plus 2 plus 9. 6x, this x will go that side, so it become plus. It become x. So it is how much? 11 equal to 7x. Equal to 7x. Then we have to find the value of x. So 11 upon 7 is equal to x. That means x is equal to 11 upon 7. X is equal to 11 upon 7. So we got the answer. So what understood? After that we will see the next question. Now after that we will take the question number 1. Okay. Question number 1 we will take. Some question we will take from the question number 1. Question number 1 is that evaluate. What you have to given? Evaluate. Evaluate means that means you have to solve the answer. See now, in evaluate the first question is given. First one, 3 raised to minus 1 into 9 raised to minus 1. Bracket complete. Divide by 3 raised to minus. See, here all the terms are given. All the terms having the minus power. All the terms having the minus power. But we don't require the minus power. We must require the plus power. So take it down. When how to change the power of the So when you take numerator term to the denominator, so their power will change. Or when you take denominator term to the numerator, so their powers will going to change. That means if minus, it will be plus. If plus, it will be the minus. When you have change the place. So here it is at the numerator. When you will take it down at the denominator, so their power will get changed. So it will be the 1 upon 3 into 1 upon 9. Here also divided by 1 upon 3. So minus 2 power. So we can write 2 times 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 3. I have written it to solve it easily. I have written it like that. Now see in the next step. Okay. So in the next step, here 1 upon 3 9 the 27. 3 9 the 27. Divided by 3 into 3 9. 1 upon 9 equal to 1 upon 27 into 9 upon 1. I have taken the reciprocal. I have changed the sign and taken the reciprocal. That means जो denominator था उसका numerator कर दिया, जो numerator था उसका denominator कर दिया. So the answer will be the 1 the 3 the. So 1 upon 3 is the answer. What is now? What is the answer? 1 upon 3 is the answer. After that we will take the question number 3 from the first one. Question 3 is given 2 raised to minus 1 plus 3 raised to minus 1. Bracket raised to 3. Bracket raised to 3. Okay. So here is also where is the negative power? There we will change their position. That means the minus power is to plus कर लेंगे. 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3. और bracket power. What is the bracket power? Which will be the power 3. Power 3. So here we will take the cross multiply. 3 1 the 3. 2 1 the 2 and 2 3 the 6 at the denominator and power 3. Okay, now solve it now. 3 plus 2 5. 5 upon 6 raised to 3. Raised to 3. So this is your answer. Over here I have taken the cross multiply. 3 1 the 3, 2 1 the 2 and at the denominator 2 3 the 6 and bracket raised to as it is. Bracket raised to power 3. Power 3 था वैसे ही था. So इसको प्लस कर दिया 3 plus 2 5 upon 6 as it is. The bracket की power 3. Okay. After that we will solve the question number 5th one. Alternate I am going to solve. So remaining you can do it in the practice. Question number 6 is given. Question 5 is there 2 raised to 2 plus 2 raised to 3 raised to 2 raised to 2 plus 3 raised to 2 into 1 upon 2 bracket square. 1 upon 2 bracket square. Okay. So here first what we can do? Here we can take the power. 2 raised to 2 it will be 4. 3 raised to 2 it is the 9 into 1 upon 2 is 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 is 1 upon 2. So 4 plus 9 into it will be the 1 upon 4. 1 upon 4. In the next step, we can solve it like that. Okay. How to solve? 4 plus 9 upon 4. 4 plus 9 upon 4. Okay. 4 plus 9 upon 4. In the next step, In the next step, here we will take the cross multiply. Okay, 4 1 are 4, 9 1 are 9, upon 4 1 are 4. Okay, so it will be the which will be the 13 upon 4. 13 upon 4. This is the improper fraction. We can convert it into the mixed fraction, and which is the 3 integer 1 upon 4. 3 integer 1 upon 4. This is your final answer. Got it now? 3 integer 1 upon 4. If we have done, so after that we will see the seventh one. Question 7 is there. In question 7, what we have to give us, this is somewhat the difficult question or somewhat lengthy. That means some steps we are going to increase. In the 7th question, what is given? You can see now. Bracket 1 upon 4, bracket raised to minus 3, minus 1 upon 3, bracket raised to minus 3, square bracket complete, divided by 1 upon 6, bracket raised to minus 3. So here minus powers are given. Minus powers are given. So here how to change the power? You can take the reciprocal of inside the bracket. So the minus power is going to change. Equal to 4 upon 1, bracket cube, minus, here also take the reciprocal, 3 upon 1 cube, square bracket complete, divide by, here also 6 upon 1 cube, 6 upon 1 cube. Okay, so here take the cube, find that cube. Okay, so 4 cube is 64. 64, 1 cube is 1. 1 cube is 1. Minus, here 3 cube is 27 upon 1. 1 cube is also 1. Then here divide by 6 cube is 6. Here divide is there. Divide is there, so 6 cube is 216 divided by 1, because 1 cube is 1. Now here divide, denominator is 1, so don't worry about that denominator. So that means 64 minus 27. 64 minus 27. Denominator is 1, so no need to write down the denominator. Okay. Into, here we will take the reciprocal. Divide का multiply कर देंगे, यहाँ पे 1 upon 216 कर देंगे. Okay. So how much is subtraction? The subtraction will be 37. 37 into 1 upon 216. So the final answer will be this is the numerator and this is the denominator. 37 upon 216. 37 upon 216. This is your final answer. After that we will take the question number 9. 9 question we will take. In first one we take the question 9. What is given in question number 9? You see. Question 9. Square bracket. Sorry, curly bracket 3 upon 5 minus bracket raised to minus 2, curly bracket complete, raised to minus 2. So here we can solve it. How to solve? See, bracket raised to again bracket. Power of power is the multiplier. Power of power is the multiplier. So we will take a simple bracket, that small one. 3 upon 5 raised to minus 2 into minus 2, because power of power is the multiplier and both power having the minus sign. Minus sign, so minus minus get plus. So which will be the 3 upon 5 raised to 2 raised to 2. 2 into 2 is the 4. 2 into 2 is the 4. So here we can take that. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Here 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. So which will be the 3 का 4 पावर क्या है 81, और 5 का 4 पावर क्या है which is 625. 625. This is your final answer. Got it now? Now after that we will take the question number 11. Okay, question 11. But there is no 11 question, so I will take another one question. 10th one, that is the different one, so we will take the question number 10. Okay, see the question number 10. What is given in question number 10? complete. Divide by 6 into minus 1. Where is the minus sign? You change their sign. That means 1 upon 5 into 1 upon 3. Here also divide by 1 upon 6. 1 upon 6. So here take the multiplier. 1 into 1, 1. 5 into 3, 15. Here take the reciprocal. Divide it here, so take reciprocal. Divide का multiply हो जाएगा. 1 upon 6 का 6 upon 1 हो जाएगा. 6 upon 1. So 6 will be the 6 upon 15. Divide. 3 2s are and 3 5s are. That means 2 upon 5. What is your final answer? 2 upon 5 is your final answer. Got it now? So like that you can solve the answers. Okay. Whenever you have to write down the questions, time by time you can take a screenshot, or whenever you have not understood, so you can see the video in the repeat mode. Okay.